we have the gorgeous, the stunning, and she's looking absolutely breathtaking. Please give it up for Mavra Hussain. Hi.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I am obsessed with you and your drama, Jama Takseem, these days. So that's what's happening. We are watching and we are binge watching it. Like
Amazing.
एक episode मैंने 2 बार देखी है वैसे पिछली वाली. It was quite थोड़ा सा heartbreak वाला.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys are watching. I'm glad everyone's watching.
And we keep on, Urva and us keep on discussing it also, like the way the drama has elevated different issues. And I think kudos to you for always choosing the right script.
I try. Honestly, the credit is not all mine. It's my directors, my writers, especially my production house. They're very brave. They're very, courageous when it comes to supporting women. So I stand with them because I feel very passionately for the positioning of women in the society. So I try that with our projects, if we don't give a lesson, at least we never harm women, or at least we are never detrimental for any class of our society.
And I do like one more thing that I want to always talk about with you also, is the way that you have a repute in the industry that if Mavra is doing this script, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ होएगा. And especially audience में भी, because I'm speaking audience की तरफ से, कि audience भी जब देखती है when your name is there, so everybody keeps on watching it because they think there is some substance to it. So kudos to you for that.
Thank you. Honestly, I feel that the audience is very, very generous. I do try my best to make sure that the projects are worth your time, but I do sometimes also make mistakes. But I think the audience is so generous that they automatically forget the wrong ones and they only remember the right things I do. So I also love my audience.
And it's winter again, and last winter something exciting happened in your life, and that was your shadi, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. So जिंदगी कैसी चल रही है ये बताएं ना जरा.
जिंदगी बड़ी
Because I keep on watching your stories also, and it's so cute.
I know. I think I am not low-key but very openly obsessed with my husband, and life's beautiful. I think it's just merrier and happier, and it's just alhamdulillah so wholesome. And I think Hajra has made one of the best videos of me and Urva
that's true.
On the wedding. I don't have a video that good जैसी Hajra ने बनाई.
And it got viral in India and so many other countries, and she's keep on like views बटोर रही है अभी तक देखे.
बस मैं honestly Amir dancing and Urva and my brother dancing for me, the way they dedicated their performances to me was the highlight of my wedding for me. And of course Farhan bhai's dedication. I think it was all about dedication.
It was all about dedication and those dance practices also, and the attar we did at the end, by the way.
Love that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. वो तो जरूरी था ना.
हमने सरप्राइज भी दिया.
हाँ.
So अब पछतो बताइए, पछतो कौन से लेवल तक पहुंच गई है?
लग पोएगा.
लग Great. Thank you so much, and let's manifest a cover soon for Sunday Times.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
मावरा हुसैन के बाद रेड कारपेट पे आती हैं यमुना जैदी, जो कि हर किसी की फेवरेट हैं, लेकिन उनके फैंस इस बार बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हुए हैं उनकी ड्रेसिंग्स की वजह से. फैंस ने हमेशा यमुना जैदी की डिसेंट ड्रेसिंग को बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया, लेकिन इस बार तो वो बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हुए हैं और इन्हें बहुत तनकीद का सामना करना पड़ा है.
We have Yumna Zaidi. किसी इंट्रोडक्शन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let me tell you that she's nominated. Her film is nominated. It's her night today.
Yeah, I'm very excited. First of all, that Lux, I think it's happening after 2 years.
Yes.
Is that the So we're glad that it's finally happening and happening in Karachi.
Yes.
So we're happy. और नायाब से nominated हूँ. तो नायाब तो हमेशा it's going to be very special. Yeah. Yes. So very excited and very relaxed and easy vibe.
हम आखिरी लक्स पे जब लक्स हुआ था ना, तो आपने सारे अवार्ड बटोर लिए थे, तो आज भी कुछ इस तरह का इरादा है?
I think I have so many Lux awards now कि अभी I don't know how बस अच्छी vibe से आते, so I think it's going to be great.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yumna, one more thing. Apart from you, who are you rooting for?
Tonight, I think जो ड्रामा कैटेगरी के सारे अवार्ड्स हैं उसके लिए, so I
Baby Baji,
Durrafisha and Hania and Sajjal and Durre in 2 categories, so I'm very excited and happy for all of them.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
उसके बाद आती हैं जी अमर खान। अमर खान यूजुअली अवार्ड शोज़ में काफ़ी बोल्ड ड्रेसिंग करती हैं, लेकिन इस बार उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया और उन्होंने कहा कि मैं इस बार फैंस की अप्रिसिएशन लूँगी। ऑल्सो उन्होंने स्लीवलेस पहना था, बट फिर भी फैंस ने उनको इतना क्रिटिसाइज़ नहीं किया। लोगों ने कहा एट लीस्ट शी इज़ कवर्ड देन अदर्स। आपको अमर खान की ड्रेसिंग कैसी लगी, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा।
Amar Khan, look at her, she's slaying.
Thank you so much. So are you.
क्या हाल चाल है आपके?
In crime, you're looking amazing.
लेकिन आज मैंने स्टाइल नहीं किया.
all the pearl and all the happening things
Yes,
happening.
yes. लेकिन you're wearing Hussein Rehar.
I'm wearing Hussein Rehar's Jeevan collection, and he specially customized this
Piece.
This piece for me. And are you liking it?
I love it.
You loving it?
I'm loving it, and I love the electric blue color. Like it's like so good on you.
Yeah. Thank you.
And I love the hair makeup also.
Thank you so much.
अब देखेंगे लोग क्या रिव्यू करते हैं लुक्स का.
It's okay. जो भी review करते हैं.
I love that. I love.
भी करते हैं.
मैं भी करता हूँ. सही बात है. आज नहीं करूँगा.
आज बिल्कुल आज आपकी अपनी लोग ऑन स्टेक है ना इसलिए.
लेकिन कोई बुरा बोल के तो देखे.
बिल्कुल मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथ खड़े हैं.
नहीं. But Amar, who are you excited for tonight?
I'm excited for the industry fraternity in general because TV dramas are progressing every year with fantastic path-breaking content, and even this year there is Zard Patto Ka Ban and Khai and Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum. So
Biggest names.
forward. Yes, looking forward, and I've heard there's some really enticing musical performances lined up as well. I don't know कौन सी exactly, लेकिन मैं बहुत excited.
I can't wait.
Yes, absolutely. So do I.
Thank you so much and see you inside.
उसके बाद आती है जी माया अली। फ़र्स्ट ऑफ़ ऑल माया अली को देखते ही मुझे तो उनकी पहचान ही नहीं हुई। आई थॉट शी इज़ कियारा, बिल्कुल कियारा अडवाणी लग रही हैं वो, लेकिन उनका ड्रेस तो फिर एज़ यूजुअल अवार्ड शोज़ पे जैसे वो आती हैं वो उस तरह ही आई हैं, बट शी इज़ लुकिंग प्रिटी। और ये काफ़ी चेंज है। क्या ये चेंज सिर्फ मुझे ही लग रहा है या आप लोगों को भी लग रहा है? मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा।
Guys, we have the gorgeous Maya Ali with us again. मैंने उनको अभी यही कहा है कि हमारी किस्मत में मिलना सिर्फ रेड कार्पेट पे होता है.
Sadly, yeah.
But you are looking ever so gorgeous right now. Oh my God, look at the outfit. I love it.
Thank you so much. It's Mark Baumgartner from Philippines, and I love his style.
And look at the sculpture. I love it. I love the. So वो stylist बीच में बोल पड़ा है ना. So I'm like, oh, let me explain the look.
Stylists would be very happy to know this.
So, but Maya, I am looking forward to different projects that you are in, which you can talk or can't talk.
I can. Now I can.
Okay, please.
Yeah. So one is film Khan Tumhara,
Yes.
which is coming on this Eid
I
al-Azha
love it.
2026, and one is TV drama, which is going to be air on Green Channel.
Amazing. But I'm excited for the film Khan Tumhara. I saw the trailers and the promos, and it looks. I love it.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm just excited to like. जल्दी आ जाए बस अब. You know what I'm saying? Like अब इंतजार बहुत हो गया है. Please.
No, very soon inshallah. और ड्रामा भी जो है वो आहद रज़मीर के साथ है और फारूक रंत उनको डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो भी बहुत एक्साइटेड.
माया, एक चीज मैंने आपसे पूछनी है. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है?
चांद सा रोशन चेहरा. लक्स.
नहीं, आपने कहा था जरा सा लक्स.
ये नया हमारा है.
Okay.
Lux.
Yeah, Lux. But Maya, I'm super excited for your film, for all your projects. Because when we see you, मैं मनमाइल वाला fan हूँ, OG fan.
How sweet. Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you so much and see you inside. Thank you.
Thank you.